The Weapons Collective Edge. Welcome to the Weapons Collective Edge. Today I'm going to give a shout out to my sister, that's Sterling, and I hope that she's feeling better. But I'm going to dedicate this video to her today. So I'm going to go over my chef's knife right there, and this is made by, it says right on the blade, I'll have a picture of it, Black Forge Knives. Put a link to it. This knife has been really good, has a good sharp edge. It's made with Damascus, 8-inch blade, and it has, I believe, a micarta handle with mosaic pins. It's full tang. It chops really well. Radish here. Cuts very smooth. Some carrots. Overall, the blade is nice and sharp. I've resharpened it probably 3 times, and it's done quite well. As you can see, the pattern in there, and that has not changed. I do keep it as clean as possible. Has a good curve to it. Cuts real nice. I've probably sharpened it 3 times. Holds an edge. Overall, probably a good 10-15 cuttings on the cutting board. Cut a tomato here. As you can see, it cuts very nice. Good thin slices. Very good blade. Overall, I would definitely recommend this knife, and it would be one of your best chef's knives that has some design and nice features to it. Damascus is always beautiful, and this is one I would treasure to have in my kitchen for the rest of my life, I hope. But I hope you like this, Sterling. If you like this knife, I'm going to put that link to it, Black Forge Knives, and I will put some more up if I can. Right now I only own this one. I do have some other Damascus that I might put in some videos of from different company. But if you like this video, please subscribe, and I will see you later. Thanks.